Alan, Corps G3. Cadet Major Aubrey Salinas, Corps G4. Cadet Major Mary Joy Bumalay, Corps G7. Major Leader Ayla Jerry Villaranda. Band Leader Ralph John Presentacion. Company Commander Cadet Major Maria Antoinette Navarro. Company EXO Cadet Major John Arnold Balobalo. First Platoon Leader Boys Cadet First Lieutenant John Luis Babilonia. Second Platoon Leader Girls Cadet First Lieutenant Kyla Enciso. CAT Facilitator Commandant Lieutenant Colonel Alan Mitchell Belen. Philippine Army Band Advisor Coordinator Benrich Kenosis Hermojeno. Major Trainer Emma Gredo. Band Master Trainer April Joyce Julia. Entry number 72, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, MT Villanueva Avenue, Naga City. Thank you very much. Entry number 72, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, MT Villanueva Avenue, Naga City. Next entry number 73, Holy Trinity College.